Welcome to Aiden Tutorial channel. The task will demonstrate how to recall the whiteboard panel and save it as an image. All we need is a laptop, VP2021, a mouse and a TV screen. Build the installation as the previous slide. With a wired or wireless mouse, move it to down left, click for choosing a pen for drawing and saving it as an image, and then download it to your computer via the QR code. Move your mouse down to the left, wait till you see the whiteboard panel, click on it, you can draw, choose the format, save it to your device, and download it via the QR code.